American lobster. The American lobster is the largest and one of the most valuable lobster species in the world. It lives along the Atlantic coast of North America, especially in the cold waters of Canada and the northeastern United States. Its large claws are its most recognizable feature, with one built for crushing shells and the other for cutting softer prey. This species supports a major fishing industry and is the lobster most people imagine when thinking of a classic lobster dinner. European lobster. The European lobster is found in the eastern Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. It looks similar to the American lobster, but usually has a darker blue body covered with pale spots. It lives among rocky reefs where it hides during the day and searches for food at night. Although highly prized for its rich flavor, it is caught in much smaller numbers than its American relative. Norway lobster. The Norway lobster is much smaller than the clawed lobsters most people know. It has a slender body and long orange claws, earning it the nickname Dublin Bay prawn or langoustine in many countries. It spends much of its life inside burrows on the seafloor, leaving mainly at night to feed. This species is popular in European seafood dishes and is an important commercial catch. California spiny lobster. The California spiny lobster has no large front claws. Instead, it relies on its thick shell and powerful tail for protection. It lives along the Pacific coast from California to Mexico, hiding in rocky crevices during the day. Its sweet, firm meat makes it highly valued, and divers often catch it by hand during the fishing season. Caribbean spiny lobster. The Caribbean spiny lobster is common in the warm waters of the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico. Its long antennae are often much more noticeable than its body. It prefers coral reefs, seagrass beds, and rocky areas where it can quickly escape from predators. This species supports one of the largest lobster fisheries in tropical waters. Western rock lobster. The western rock lobster lives off the coast of Western Australia. Like other spiny lobsters, it does not have oversized claws, but has a strong tail that helps it swim backward at high speed. Careful fishery management has made this species one of the world's best-known examples of sustainable lobster harvesting. It is also one of Australia's most valuable seafood exports. Southern rock lobster. The southern rock lobster is found in the cooler waters around southern Australia and New Zealand. It grows slowly and can live for many years before reaching full size. Its firm white meat is highly prized in international seafood markets. Strict fishing limits help protect wild populations and ensure the species continues to thrive. Eastern rock lobster. Eastern rock lobster lives along Australia's eastern coastline. It prefers rocky reefs where it spends the day hidden among cracks and caves. As darkness falls, it comes out to feed on shellfish, sea urchins, and other small marine animals. Its healthy populations are important for both the local ecosystem and commercial fisheries. Cape rock lobster. The Cape rock lobster is native to the waters around South Africa. It has a reddish-brown shell and long antennae instead of large claws. This lobster plays an important role in the coastal food chain by feeding on a wide variety of marine life. Careful management is necessary because overfishing once placed heavy pressure on its population. Slipper lobster. Slipper lobster is easy to recognize because of its wide, flat antennae that resemble small shovels. Unlike clawed or spiny lobsters, body has a broad, flattened shape, helps it hide beneath rocks and sand. It lives in warm oceans around the world and feeds mostly at night. Although less famous than other lobsters, it is considered a delicious seafood in many coastal regions.